Our first experience of riding the Speed 400, and this is the test ride bike what you have, and we are here at the Triumph Whitefield, and so this is the beautiful machine what you have. So this is the red one, so you also have the black and the blue colors available. So let's swing our legs and see how the first impression is gonna be. It's pretty accessible. So I am 5'7", you can see both my feet is grounded, so no worries on the height front. So we're going to take a quick spin of this motorcycle, and I'm going to share how this really feels. So let's crank the engine. So let me explain you the switch gears. These are your indicators, your horn, this is for your ignition kill switch, this is for your hazard switch gear. Okay, that's how the motor sounds. That's a single, so you don't really need to expect much about this. So here on the Odo you have the neutral, you have the kilometers run on this motorcycle, this is your indicator, this is the tachometer, you have the Triumph logo over here, neutral, fuel indicator, traction controls, ABS, alright, and this is for your headlamps, your upper beam and the lower beam, and this is your horn. Alright, okay, here we put on the first gear and off we go. Oh my god, I feel a hell lot of a difference from the 390 Adventure to this Street 400, and as many people say, it has really got the short gearing. As you see here, I need to switch to the third gear. We'll take a U-turn. It feels light even at the turning also. The acceleration seems good. So let me see how tractable it is. That's a big question here, considering this is going to be more of a city oriented bike. So I am in third gear. How low I can go? Let me see. I am below 30 now, as you can see on the Odo. Alright, I'm at 20, not making those knocking sound. The engine is still okay. Let me put the fourth and see. It seems to be pretty good, huh? Seriously. On my 390 Adventure it is really going to knock heavily, but that's not the case here. See, even fourth gear I'm somewhere around like 20 also. The engine is still pulling, and from here if I want to really accelerate, it is pulling. It feels so small. It really feels so small. Woo! I am just going superb. How about the vibes? I'm at 60, fourth gear. Nothing at all. Trust me, nothing at all at this moment. Woo! Oh, the braking is good. The braking is really good. The back has got the bite what it needed. See, I am at fourth gear. Okay, I still don't need to change the gear. So that's how tractable it is. So in the city, oh, superb. The gear shifting seems to be good at the moment, and since it is having the short gearing, it is just that. See how it is pulling. Third gear I'm at 20, and it's like pulling easily. Look at this. It's got ample amount of torque. So on the sitting ergonomics, okay, so you just need to bend a little, I believe. So maybe a 1-inch risers, the handlebar risers might help you to sit more comfortable. Okay, as you can see, I'm just leaning a little bit, so you get that's both sporty, and also if you need that comfort riding, then probably you may go for the 1-inch handlebars that might give you a much better relaxed ergonomics. The handlebars are good enough. They are not too short, they are not too wide. For the city commuting, I think this is good, because considering that you need to filter out, you can filter out easily. See, I haven't experienced any vibes at this moment. Your RPMs somewhere around like 4,000, 4,500 is where you are feeling. But if I switch a little taller to the higher gears, that goes off. So which means somewhere like 4,500, 5,000, you have got some vibes, and that's what we have been hearing from a lot of people. But once you go beyond, I think it's going to calm down. But in the city, you understand, right? It's not that easy to go at the high speeds. Taking U-turns is not really going to be a problem, because this is a very light bike. The handlebars are just apt, and oh yes, the rear brake is doing its job. Look at the braking, wow, superb. The clutch is really light, no doubt. The gearing, shifting gears has also been not a problem. Let me just do one thing, okay? So this is what usually I notice on my Dominars and the KTMs. So if you're started, see, that's not too much of a knocking sound also. The tuck sound which you get on the KTMs and the Dominars, that's not there, at least for now. I'm not really sure how this is going to pan out in future. Heating issues, well, this has been under the sun, so that could be one of the reasons why I'm feeling that heat on the tank. And from the engine, there is a little bit. It's a sunny day out here, so that's one thing. Fan is on, so see this filtering, you're able to easily filter it out. The foot pegs, you can see my legs, they are not very rare, so they are in a little bit of a good neutral position, so which means that you will have that relaxed sitting posture. That's one. So hey guys, there was some more content which I have shot while taking a test ride of the bike, but unfortunately because of the GoPro, the sound has not been recorded. I'm not really sure what could be the reason. So there are a couple of things which I was actually sharing while I was taking a test ride, so I would like to continue here. I'm back home taking a test ride and really impressed with the way the bike has lived up to all the expectations. I would like to touch upon the suspension, the way it has been set up on the bike. I'm really impressed with the way the entire suspension has been playing out, be it your rear or the front. I went over the potholes purposefully to see how it is really playing, and really I'm impressed. It's so smooth, hardly I could feel any hit on my back. It was like amazing setup what the Triumph has done with the motorcycles. In the Bangalore city, you see a lot of potholes everywhere, so with this bike you're really not going to take that pain on your back. All in all, the bike has ticked almost all the right boxes. What needs to be checked now is how the delivery pans out, how the service is being taken care of, and that's been a big question right from the moment Triumph has launched this, with the kind of experience what people have faced with the Kirti Triumph. And I hope that things really don't go hayway with the Kivraj coming in, and having a partnership with a premium motorcycle brands like Triumph, they will definitely up the game here, and hopefully they will address all those challenges and provide a very smooth service to the consumers. So a lot of the things are really in favor of the motorcycle, be it your clutch, the braking, the way the engine performs, the tractable, the low end torque what you have, suspension, the sitting ergonomics. Majorly most of the things are really in favor of the bike. A couple of things what we can just nitpick is kind of like the tachometer kind of gives that old school look. Some may like it, some may not like it. Then it doesn't have the Bluetooth connectivity. Of course, I did not mention that it also has the USB cable connection also to charge your mobile. Speed 400. The deliveries are about to start from this month ending. August month ending is what I've heard at the showroom. For Scrambler, they do not have any major updates. They are expecting it to be in the showrooms by October, and I'm more keen, looking forward for that motorcycle, because that seems to be more catchy of the two. Who should be going ahead and purchasing this motorcycle? Which segment it is really looking at? Well, the people from 150 to 200 or maybe 250 cc segments, probably they can think about this motorcycle. For the people who are looking to own a Triumph badge of motorcycles, probably this is a very good opportunity, because you have a small cc motorcycle, very good pricing, and it is delivering on all fronts. So something, you know, people can look at this as an alternate to the existing motorcycles if they have. For the Dominar and the 390 Adventures, and you want to, you know, do a highway riding, and considering the Speed 400, probably I don't think so that will be a good choice, because Dominar and the 390 Adventure, they are much better on the highways, definitely, with the way they have been over the years. This is what my opinion is. Yes, it can differ from person to person. These are the things what I wanted to discuss in this particular video. These are my personal opinions, these are my impressions of the motorcycles. Yes, it can differ from person to person, and if you're someone who is looking at purchasing this motorcycle, please do take a test ride thoroughly. Make sure that, you know, you are pretty clear in terms of going ahead for this motorcycle, and then go ahead and book and own this motorcycle. If in case you're doing so, I believe that you won't be disappointed. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if in case you have any opinions, or you have any questions, or you have anything to share about this motorcycle, please put it in the comment section. It will help our audience to gain more knowledge about this motorcycle. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to kindly subscribe and stay tuned to this channel for more such content. On that note, I'm going to end this video here. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passion. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next one. Jai Hind.